Welcome to 365 Technologies Tech Tips. Today we're going to show you how to bookmark messages and make your screen size larger or smaller in Microsoft Teams. There may be times when you need to bookmark an important message in Teams, so you can review it later. Point your cursor over a message you want to bookmark. You'll see some icons appear along with three dots that signify the More Options menu. Click on the three dots and a drop-down menu appears. Click on Save this message. Then click on your Account button. That's the button with your photo or initials. In the drop-down menu, click on Saved Menu Item, and you'll see your bookmarks list. Click on the bookmark message you want to view to see the thread in the chat channel. Your bookmark will be highlighted in this thread. To remove a bookmark, simply click the bookmark icon on the saved message. And that's it for bookmarks. Pretty simple, but a time-saving tool. So, depending on the device you're using, or your eyesight, you may want to increase or decrease your screen size. Microsoft Teams provides an easy way to do this. Once again, click on your Account button. You'll see in the middle of the drop-down menu the zoom icons. To decrease your screen size, click on the minus icon. To increase, click on the plus icon. To reset, simply click the Zoom Reset icon. Of course, Microsoft provides you with shortcut keys. To zoom out, on Windows, click Control and minus, and on a Mac, click Command and minus. To zoom in, on Windows, click Control and equals, and on a Mac, click Command and equals. To reset, on Windows, click Control and 0, and on a Mac, click Command and 0. And that's it. Now you have the perfect screen size. Thanks for watching. We're 365 Technologies, an IT service provider in Winnipeg, Manitoba. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Visit us at 365tech.ca.